Yesterday was probably the most jumbled bunch of data I've ever seen. We had so many different conflicting things take place yesterday. It's very difficult to understand actually what's going on. We obviously dealt with the CPI report. We know that Ethereum went on a little bit of a drop, BTC on a little bit of a drop. Nice thing is that SHIB has been kind of consolidating, kind of sideways trading since that took place. You guys can see, right? Just sideways, sideways, sideways. Here's where that report came out, sideways, sideways, sideways. That's fine. All right, BTC on a little bit of a drop. I talked about this in my ADA video earlier today. And really what I'm watching here too is we're kind of getting this confirmation in terms of this BTC dominance drop off. That's a big thing. Remember, we're waiting for this for alt season. We're waiting for this for kind of excitement to pick up in the market. And it sure looks like it's going to be coming soon. But all this different data hit us yesterday. So first of all, we had spot Bitcoin ETF outflows yesterday, decent sized ones, $81 million in outflows. Grayscale, a heavy part of this dumping, and they kind of picked back up after slowing down. All right, they've done this before. It's not surprising. Yesterday was actually a good report, so that's kind of weird. Then you look at the spot Ethereum ETF side, inflow day, great, awesome for Shiba Inu. Anytime there is a little bit of push on the Ethereum side, remember that can help drag SHIB price up. But then we also had this weird kind of inverse thing happen where the Grayscale fund that's been dumping actually had inflows, but then the Grayscale mini fund had outflows. Then you had the US government dumping, like I talked about in my earlier ADA video. Then you had Vitalik dumping some Ethereum, right? Then you had whales stepping in and buying up the prices. So we just had so much stuff take place yesterday that frankly made no sense. This kind of is a testament to this chop and this sideways trading and this lack of direction that we've been experiencing in terms of the overall crypto market. Now, what I will say is this. When I'm looking at this SHIB chart, specifically on the hourly here, it looks like there is a very strong floor being set right in these price ranges. It doesn't mean we can't dip below it, right? We did it back here on the 11th. We did it right here again yesterday before getting a little bit of recovery. We did it over here, right? But we're kind of in that sideways range, just whatever, despite what Ethereum and BTC are doing. You guys can see BTC is kind of in a little bit of a downtrend here, but SHIB is showing strength. It's showing that it really doesn't want to drop below these price levels. All right. If we get a big negative push across the market, it's possible that we could go lower, right? If things start to improve, it wouldn't surprise me if SHIB tries to get back up, flip through this gift zone again. Remember, there's not a lot of liquidity down in these ranges here. SHIB can very quickly move towards the top of this. All right. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but this is that exact, 20 some percent move that we were talking about. I think 25% is what we discussed. This may happen sometime very shortly. All right. Yes, we got the dumping from the government yesterday, but it wouldn't surprise me if we get more continued buying. This has been kind of the theme. When there's been opportunity in the market, some entities will step in, they'll buy, they'll try to push prices higher. And frankly, how much worse can it get, right? I'm just kidding. How much worse can it get in the meantime? We don't really have any reports coming out anytime soon here. PC report is later this month. We kind of have 2 weeks of just the ability to recover. All right, 2 weeks where we may be able to gain some overall momentum in terms of the crypto market. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. We'll see how today plays out. It's kind of, again, a strange start to the day. We're just chopping, but direction will change soon. Appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.